Hi Year 9. Just been doing a bit of doodling, trying to think of things that would help you with your comic strips. I've drawn this in the last couple of minutes and I'm going to just show you how I've come about doing that, okay? Don't forget, whenever you're drawing, I'm going to draw in pen, you're going to draw in pencil, and you're going to draw lightly so that you can rub out. But don't forget, draw a horizontal line, okay, lightly, and then draw a vertical. And then let's draw, for example, the base of your stand, and we're going to draw it in a vertical orientation. So you draw a line at about 30 degrees to the horizontal. There's 30 degrees and there's the horizontal. And we're going to draw a square, both the vertical sides of the square we're going to draw vertical, and the other horizontal sides we will draw at 30 degrees. So that's parallel to that, and that's vertical, and it's parallel to the other edge. Now we're going to show the thickness. Now it is about 6 millimeters, but I'm going to draw it a wee bit thicker than that. This is about 80 millimeters across here, okay? But this should only be about 6, but I'm going to draw it a wee bit thicker than that. And then, so that vertical, those two verticals there are on a vertical plane, and these ones are on 30 degrees, but that line's parallel with that, which is also parallel with that one, okay? Now you could show that in a vise, and you could show the vise just like this here, and just try to show the handle of the vise. Oops, that wasn't very well done. I meant to do something like that, okay? Now, that shows the vise holding on to it. And then you could show like a file deburring it. So this is you in your very first wee section of your comic strip, and you could show a file sort of down like this here, and you would be able to rub out bits that I can't rub out because I'm doing it in pen. Okay, so here's your file handle, and put a wee bit of three-dimensional into it, and then you can show the roughness of the file. Okay, and you could show that it's going forward and back, and you just write deburring. And that's the very first thing you did. Okay, that's the first thing. Now you would practice doing that, and then you would do it into your comic strip nice and small. Then you were marking out and drilling, so you were drilling on, again, don't forget, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, and everything else is vertical. These are vertical. This is you drawing the base of the stand now horizontally, not vertically. And then you were going to show you drilling a hole in at the center, okay? And then you would show it drilled. Now how do you show the pedestal drill? Well, you could draw a wee pedestal drill in your picture. Again, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, that's the top of it. And then do exactly the same, and I'm doing it very, very quickly now. And do you remember the handles on the side of it? Okay, handles on the side of it, and then you've got the chuck goes round with the drill bit in it. And if you're getting really clever, then what you would do is you would show the table, and then you would show, and again you're going to have to practice this and then draw it smaller to fit in a wee box. There's the base, there's the table, this is your pedestal. Again, you wouldn't label any of this, but this is just to show the handles and the chuck. Okay, just trying to show you some bits and pieces that might be useful. Alright, and then if you were drawing, if you were showing cutting out with a coping saw, you would show your piece of aluminium vertically, and then you would show your coping saw. There's your frame, there's the blade, and there's the handle. You show the coping saw, and you would show it moving backwards and forwards, and then following a line or something. So, right, hope that's been helpful. But the main things are that the verticals are always vertical, and the horizontal lines are at 30 degrees to the horizontal. And everything else, they're all parallel to each other. Alright, hope that's helped. Alright, thank you.